Alright, so this weekend's Reading video is starting off in a little bit of a weird spot. We're still in Texas. It's nighttime. I fly out tomorrow morning, or tomorrow after I fly out tomorrow evening. I've got classes all day tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. But one thing here at Texas State is when it's exam time, President Lyndon B. Johnson went to Texas State, class of 1930. And there's a statue of him here, and a big thing for good luck is come up here and rub his hand during exam season. You see it's all rubbed down. So I'm not gonna get time tomorrow, but I wanted to come by and before we go into Reading, let's give him a little bit of a hand rub for good luck. See you guys in Reading. Late to the party here. We're up here in the lanes here in Reading. Kind of sucked at YouTubing today. I got in at like 10 and got here to the track, and we just put the car together and then just been working since. They're about to light off the first pair of funny cars, and then it's us. Go! 4 flat! Yes! Dude! 4 flat! 4 flat off the trailer! Yeah! Alright, so we are back. Rockers are back on. Tyler's adjusting some stuff in the clutch. Marbles is fixing to put his rockers on. And then we'll put the intake and blower on, and we run in an hour and a half. So we're doing pretty good. This is it, dude. This is it. History fixing to be made.
Hey guys, there's a palpable sense of anticipation going on down here on the starting line.
Great word, Joe. A palpable sense of anticipation.
Yes.
Man. What are we palpabling?
We are well, let's talk to McKailen Haddock about it. Like, he just came over and told me, like, this is it. What is it, McKailen? What's happening here?
We're about to run our first 3-second run. You know, Dad's first race was 25 years ago here. It didn't qualify, so I think it's a perfect race for us to go out and get our first 3-second run. What do you think?
Yay! Everybody is super excited. So I just saw Del Worsham lean on Johnny West. Just like, now's the time, baby. Open the flows, baby. Like, this is something you guys have been working for.
We've been working for this for so long. It means so much to the entire crew, to everybody who's been a part of this. Everybody helps us out. We're the underdogs out here, and we're out here doing it. And we're fixing to achieve a goal that we've chased for 2 years now.
Now, obviously, like, this is a nitro funny car. You know, it might not happen, right? And that would be disappointing. But I love the fact that we're trying to call the shot here.
Yeah, it's drag racing. Things happen, but I've got a pretty good feeling about this.
You're proud of your dad. That's what matters.
Incredibly. He's there's no words for how incredibly proud I am to watch everything he does, and he's taught me so much about life and being a good man and chasing your dreams, and I just can't thank him enough.
Well, good luck. That's right, guys. Palpable.
What a great son, Joe.
Event. That's why we had to do that interview, Jason Logan. We're down here, like, creating moments.
Alright, we gave it a shot. It had a cylinder out on the left side, I saw. Are you ready, kids? Alright, we are pushing up to the line here for Q3 here in Reading. So let's go fast. Let's do this. So Fletcher Cox with the Philadelphia Eagles is here at the racetrack this weekend on the line with ABM Communications, and it's pretty cool. I just got to have a few-minute conversation with him about the difference, or about the feeling like when you're sitting in the car ready to go, like from me driving the nostalgia car, how that feeling is compared to like nerves before a big game or chasing the trophy or any of that stuff. So it was a really interesting conversation to get to have with him, so that was cool.
Backing up.
Alright, we are up here. It is Q4. Let's do this, dude.
Backwards, but there was no way to re-engage the forward gear.
Do this.
So Alex.
Alright, 410 at 306 again. Alright. It got squirrely down at the top end, so that's part of why the ET was down a little bit. Good morning, Austin.
What's up, dude?
You a little bit cold there, buddy?
Tiny bit, yeah, tiny bit. It's the awning's sweating now. 8 degrees outside.
So that's a real solid start to the morning. I got my drone out this morning to fly it, get some footage, and it quite literally fell out of the sky. Nothing I could have done, nothing I could have changed to not make that happen. It literally just died. I don't even know why. I think it might be because how cold it is, but say that thing's a little bit ruined. So time to get on eBay or see where I can buy a new one. That sucks. Alright, we're up here in the lanes for round 1 against Mr. Blake Alexander. Sorry, not Blake Alexander. Wow.
You're special, kid.
We're up here in the lanes for round 1 against Chad Green, not Blake
Jasper
Alexander.
the Ghost. We're just making stuff up.
Anyways, I've kind of sucked at YouTubing this weekend, so my apologies. We've been super busy, but it has been super cool. Everybody, there's been so many people here who watch my stuff and know who I am. I've signed so many autographs this weekend, which is pretty cool. And yeah, let's go do good first round, why don't we? What do you think? I think we should make Dad shotgun a Red Bull real quick. Breaking light on the tree.
We don't want him to red light.
Yeah, that's true. Mr. Terry, how do you feel about us making you drink a Red Bull real quick before the run?
Not so good.
Not so good. Well, this is not ideal racing conditions. So they got through all of second round and set the semis, and it was incredibly annoying. Tim Wilkerson, who we would have faced round 2, was ran a 12:39. Yep. So that was a little heartbreaking, and so we've just been getting packed up. It is 2:30 and we're like completely packed up. Me and Austin and Marbles really want to go to Texas Roadhouse tonight because we've all been wanting it forever.
It's hard to top this one yet. I hope
My man.
you can come back and there's a better memory than that.
Hey now.
Alright, I am walking through the airport in Philadelphia. Spent the last like 3 hours since we've been here hanging out with Austin while we waited for his flight. And it's just cool. You can see the cars passing there behind me, and it's just little moments like this. I could be at college right now, dreading Monday and all the work I'm doing. Instead, I'm coming back from a race in freaking Pennsylvania, dude. It's just so cool. It's such a cool opportunity. And we'll talk about what happened today tomorrow when I'm less exhausted, but things happen. It is what it is. I'm gonna make mistakes as a driver. It happens. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm back in Texas. All right, we're just doing like a batch session of filming outros to videos right now. If you saw the Indy video that came out, hopefully the other day. Reading. Red lights suck. They really do. But it's part of it. It's really cool to see Dad trying so hard and pushing so hard to be better and be fast, because the car isn't quite fast enough yet. But you can win a lot of races based off the reaction time. So we're really happy with that. And God has a plan for when we're going to win a race. No matter what I do, no matter what Dad does, no matter what Tyler or Marbles or anybody does on that day, it'll happen when it's meant to. So that's just kind of all you got to say about that. The one thing I am real glad of is it didn't work out on the ladder to where we would have gone and won the entire race. That would have broken my heart with how everybody else performed. We would have gone to the finals, but like I said, it's part of it, and we're all behind Dad. If he was red lighting every time, okay, that'd be a different thing, but I have never once in my entire life, 16 years of doing this, seen him red light, so it happens. On that note, I've got to finish some schoolwork because I'm recording this like 3 hours before I leave for Charlotte. Sorry the videos are suffering. I'm a little or a lot overwhelmed with school and everything that's going on right now, so I'm just trying to balance it all. On that note, like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and I will see you guys in Charlotte in a couple hours. All right, never give up.